have still more tools to go over. And here is my newest LeatherMan, the Charge ALX. And here we go. First off, the difference that the Charge models have is they have either titanium or tin handles to make them lighter weight and more durable. And this particular one has tin handles. Another thing to go over is this particular model of mine has all the tools black oxidized, so they're black. We got clip point blade, diamond file and saw as usual, and a wood saw. Now, with the blade, this rated blade, they've cut out a small piece for a sharpened hook right there. That's pretty much. Now, open it up. When I first tried it out, most of the tools on the inside were kind of hard, but now I've loosened them up. Nothing new on the pliers except for that. I believe it's some wire stripper. And here on one side is one large double-sided bit driver, and then can opener, bottle opener, wire scraper. And on the other side is a small and a large, another large bit drivers. That way you have 2 small screwdrivers and 4 large screwdrivers. And then the thing that I like about this is that it came with this. And it comes with all these pretty bits, double-sided bits to put in there. So that gives you 6 more double-sided bits, so 12 more screwdrivers right in your pouch. Right. I'm going to go change my batteries and get some more videos done.